We are #1 in Tampa Bay, and we don't even build in Tampa Bay.
Wow.
I don't know how that happened.
Well, we really appreciate these guys, and they've opened up the models for us too. So after the meeting, if you have not been to the community, you definitely want to take a walk through the models. They are wrapping up this section of it, but Patricia and Valerie from Neal Communities are here today, and they're just going to tell us a little bit too of what's coming down the pipe. So before we kick off our meeting, and again, just special thanks for the breakfast and everything. If we can have just a couple words from you guys of what's coming. So
we are opening a brand new section adjacent to Belle Isle. It's going to be called Highlands. We are going back to Neal, more traditional product with 12-foot ceilings, transoms over the sliders, lots and lots of included features like tile and granite and stainless and crown moldings. They're going to be phenomenal looking. Our model is under construction. We're hoping to have it open in May. We'll start pricing in the 300s. Basically, square footages from 2,300 up to about 2,800 square feet. So we're really excited to bring that on board. We have 74 home sites in there. We'll open up with about 47 home sites.
New floor plans,
brand new floor plans, never seen before. Exciting elevations. They're going to have a Mediterranean look with stone beach.